Hey, oh, sorry that you can see my face. I'm gonna be pulling out some football cards. I don't know why I got football cards. I wanted basketball, but I couldn't find any at the store. So let's see who we get. Oh, okay. So we'll pull out these. Some are just rookie cards, some are not. This is Jeremy Tunsil. These are rookie cards. I'll show you the rookie cards and the non-rookie. Rookie Josh Ferguson, whatever. I don't know how to pronounce their last name.
Ferguson.
Oh God. Will Fuller. Rookie Ali Apple or Ali Apple, I don't know. Then it's Randy Gregory. These are not rookies, I don't think. No, these are not rookies. Shane Ray. Marquise Pouncey. I don't watch football, so I don't know these names. Sorry. Troy Palumuli. I don't know. He's on the Steelers. I have no clue. On the Chiefs, Dontari or Poe. Dontari or whatever. Poe. I don't know. Jerick McKinnon on the Vikings. On the Bills, Sammy Watkins.
That wasn't too bad.
Rookie card. Vikings, Xavier Rhodes. Rookie. Now this is good. Ben Roethlisberger. J.J. Watt, Defensive Player of the Year card. J.J. Watt. Colin Kaepernick, my second. Super Bowl champions Patriot cards. Has Tom Brady on the front.
Okay.
Corey Coleman All-American card.
Where's the pliers?
So this has Eddie Lacy, and look on the back, Brett Favre. Brett Favre is on the back of Eddie Lacy. And my favorite card out of all these, the quarterback of the Falcons, Matt Ryan. Woo! So guys, if you enjoyed, no, if you guys enjoyed this video and you want more of the pack openings, leave a like, subscribe if you're new. Peace out. This is a beaver spine. Bye guys. Peace.